How to make a mirror wall decor. Let's make the wall decor. We need cardboard, Fevicol, black color, and some broken mirrors. Now jump into the video. First, we need to cut the cardboard in the shape of half moon. After cutting the cardboard in shape of half moon, color the both sides of the moon in black color and wait for dry the color. When the cardboard is totally dry, put some Fevicol on dry moon. After putting Fevicol all over the moon, attach the mirrors all over. After attaching the mirrors all over the moon, let it to dry the glue and set. When the mirrors are set properly, our wall decor is totally ready.